GeoCuber!
Hi guys, it's GeoCuber. Today we're going to make an example solve video of the method that I actually explained not so long time ago here on my channel. I don't want to call it a method, but it's basically just solving a Rubik's Cube using only sexy move. So you can go to geocuber.com. You can see everything there, my Instagram, my YouTube channel, Twitter, Twitch, links for Speedcube Shop and also Speedcube Shop giveaway. So don't forget to check out geocuber.com. So let's start. Let's have a scramble. I have a scramble here on my screen right now. Let's do it. It's D2, B2, D2, R prime, U2, L2, B, R2, U, L2, U2, F2, L2, D prime, R2, F2, B2, U prime, B2, R prime, D. So there you go. That's our scramble. So I'm going to explain how I solve this Rubik's Cube using only sexy move. So we're going to count the number of sexy moves. First, we have to do the cross. There's no shortcut in doing the cross. Let's just move the white edges on the white center. Yeah, and we want to put them like that, like they are on this order, in this order: blue, orange, green, red. And then we want to look for a red cross here. Let's align that first. Align these first. Then let's get a corner piece. This one we want to this is the red blue corner piece, so we want to put it in the middle of red and blue, and we will do sexy move until it gets here on its proper position. So one, sexy move, sexy move, sexy move, and there you go. I think it's fixed. Don't worry about the second layer yet. So we have orange and blue. We have to put it in the middle of orange and blue, and we do, luckily, only one sexy move for that. We have orange and green here. We have to put it in the middle of orange and green, and we have to do sexy move, sexy move, sexy move, sexy move, sexy move. I know that is so long. This is the easiest way, not the fastest way to solve a Rubik's Cube, so bear with me, guys. And here we have red and green. We have to put it in the middle of red and green, and then we do sexy move. For that one, only once. So we fix the first layer. Now let's go to the second layer. Let's look for a second layer piece. I'm going to solve this one. Blue and orange. We have to face blue and orange like that. So since it's blue, we have to put it to the blue. And if it's on the right side, whatever the color is on the right, if it's on the right side, we will move this down and then sexy move. Then we will move that back up. So after that one sexy move, we will do 5 sexy moves now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, it will solve both of them back. So let's look for another piece. Oh no. So this is what I hate. We don't have an edge piece here. So we will just pretend that this is an edge piece that we want to go here. So we will do the same process. Move this down. Do one sexy move. Then move it back up. So after that, we will do 5 sexy moves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just got really unlucky there. So let's look for a piece without a yellow. So this one should go here. So orange and green, it's in the right place. Since it's orange, we move it to the right. And since it's right, we will use the same method we did earlier. So we will move this down, sexy move, and then we will move it up. And followed by another 5 sexy move. Again, this is the easiest to learn, not the fastest way, okay? So 1 sexy move, 2, 3, 4, 5. We solved another edge. Let's look for another one. We have green and red here. Green and red should be here. So since it's green, we move it to the green side, and green side is the right side. Right side moves, it's like this. We move this down. We have to do 1 sexy move, and we move this up. And then the 5 sexy moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't know how many sexy moves we did already. And we are a little bit unlucky again because we don't have any pieces that are no yellow because we have it here, but it's in the wrong orientation. So we will just pretend that we want to put this here. So we will move this down, and then we will do one sexy move, move it up, and then 5 sexy moves. Yeah, you guessed it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's look for that last piece. It's this one, red and blue. So since it's red and blue and red is facing us, so red should go to the right. I mean, red should go to the red. And since it's on the right, let's move this down. One sexy move and move it up. And now we have to do 5 sexy moves. Sexy move, sexy move, sexy move, 4, and 5. So we're now down with the 2 layers, first 2 layers. So next that we have to do is to fix the yellow cross. So in this case, we have 2 missing pieces here. So we want them to be on the right and the bottom. We don't want them to be like this or like this, like this. Right and bottom. Or if they are opposite each other, we want to put them top and bottom. But this is adjacent. So right and bottom, and we will move this down. That's just one move preparation. And then sexy move. Then move it up. So as I've said earlier, if the missing pieces are like this, they are opposite each other, you want to put them up and down, not left and right. So up and down like that. And let's do it. Same move. So we will move this down. A preparation move. And then sexy move. And then undo that preparation move. We will have a fixed cross. But we're not going to end there because this cross is not totally fixed yet. Because the sides are not really matching the centers. Aside from this green, that's okay, but this one doesn't match, doesn't match, doesn't match. So when that is the case, we have to find at least 2 that will match the colors of the centers. So I think we can nope, not like that. So okay, there we go. We found blue, and red. So you can actually find at most 2 matches there. So actually exactly 2. Not 1, not 3, it's exactly 2 matches. So red and blue here. So what we want to do is that we want to put them here on where I already put them, left and down. So left down for the fixed edges, and then we will do what we have to do, which is, you guessed it right, sexy move. But we will have a preparatory move here, and then we will do sexy move, and then undo that. And then we will do here again, down, and then sexy move, then up. So after doing those 2, we will go back to solving the yellow cross again. And as I've said earlier, if there are 2 missing pieces, we want to put them on the right and bottom. So this is the right way to hold it. Let's move this down, and then sexy move. We have 2 pieces, so move this down, sexy move, and move this up, and there you go. So we have a fixed cross, yellow cross, and they all match the sides of the Rubik's Cube. So now we will try to solve these 4 corners without affecting the cross. So what we're going to do is we have to move this upside down. And you have to look at this corner. So this will be our target corner. So what we want to do is that we want to do sexy moves until this piece will become fixed. Fixed means the yellow part will be facing down like the rest of the yellow pieces. So we are going to do full sexy moves, okay? Not half, not partial, always full sexy moves. So let's do one sexy move there. It didn't fix it. Another sexy move there, and it's fixed. So we will switch it with another one that is not fixed, this one. So let's do sexy move, another sexy move until it gets fixed. Don't worry about the rest of the pieces. Just fix that one, and we got it fixed. Let's change it with another one. Okay, so let's do sexy move, sexy move. Did I destroy it? No, it's already fixed. Okay, it's fixed, and then we swap it with another one. Sexy move until it gets fixed. Sexy move, and there you go. So all of the corners are fixed, but not exactly. They are not on the right positions or not right places. So as you can see, the edges are already correct. They are on the right places, but the corners are not. So we're going to move them to the right place. Okay, so let's just put a wrong piece here. So all of them are wrong, so it doesn't matter. So we just hold the Rubik's Cube like this. So from this point, remember, when the yellow piece is all yellow, I mean yellow side is all yellow already, we will be doing multiples of 3 sexy moves. We will not do any 1 or 2, always 3. Okay, so we will do 3 moves. 1, 2, 3, and we will look here on the top. This will be our target. It's yellow, blue, red, and we want it to be in the middle of blue, red. So we will move this bottom layer until we find blue, red, and yeah, we found the blue and red here. So let's move it. Blue and red is there, so we will do 3 sexy moves. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And we have yellow and orange, blue. So we want to find the orange, blue. This is not orange, blue. This is green and red. This is orange, green. This is blue, orange. So we want to stop there and do 3 sexy moves. 1, 2, 3. And then we have a fixed cube. It's white. So let's find another unfixed one. So it's this or this one. So we'll take this one. Let's do 3 sexy moves. 1, 2, 3. And we have a new target here, yellow with red, green. So we want to find red, green. This is not red, green. This is not red, green. This is red, green. So we'll stop there and do 3 sexy moves. 1, 2, 3. Our new target is yellow with orange, green. So we will look for orange, green. And there you go. Orange, green is here. We'll stop there and do 3 sexy moves. 1, 2, 3, and there you go. So we fixed the Rubik's Cube using only sexy moves. Well, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. See you next video. Happy Tuesday.